Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need.
Guys, we got some model magic for some.
We're currently at the Toys R Us.
Yeah, we got some model magic for.
Because we're making slime.
Yeah,
So see you when we got all the material. Or we're kind of gonna like.
we'll
film
just
some stuff.
update you a couple times. Yeah.
I'm so happy that we found white clay because like. Okay guys, so we found model magic clay, that kind of stuff.
We bought 2 bags of it.
But we didn't find any glue, so that was kind of boring.
And so we're gonna go searching for a place to find glue.
Yeah, and my greatest hope is at the dollar store right now.
Yeah.
But if we see some like
They have a lot of glue there.
maybe Marshalls wouldn't have any. I'm trying to find some too good juice.
Okay. But anyways, guys, after we find all of the ingredients at like 11:30, we're going to go meet my mom for Starbucks.
So we're gonna update you soon.
Yeah.
We found.
I found these and I'm so happy.
Like we've been searching for this and we found it. Now we need to find things.
Glue. We just got like a huge thing. We'll do a haul when we get back. We'll like put that back.
We bought glue, baby oil, a lot of stuff.
Yeah. We'll just show you at home.
I'm so excited to try it out with the clay because like it's gonna be such a like different texture.
I know it's butter slime. Hi guys. We just went to like this chocolate place to get a present for my mom because she's so nice. She's gonna treat us white hot chocolates.
At Starbucks.
Yeah.
So there's like 2 boxes of chocolates in there, so
With cranberries.
and they look really good, so she's probably gonna be super happy. So
And we stayed under budget, guys.
I'm super excited. I know. I'm so excited with that clay and everything. And guys, we're at Starbucks, as I told you, and see you someday.
Yeah.
When we're gonna do the haul, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Yes, please. Hi guys. We just finished drinking our special Starbucks drink, and I'm so happy because she treated us. She's so nice.
Yeah, thank you again.
So in return, we got her a gift. It's chocolate covered cranberries. And we got 2 boxes of this. So you get to try this.
Thank you, guys.
And we got a lot of things for slime, and we're gonna do a haul when we get home.
Yeah, so see you in the car maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's made in Quebec.
Guys, I'm vlogging without Randy right now. Where's your face? It's not there.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. We're almost at my house.
Then we're gonna do slime and I'm super
Yeah. Well, guess what, haters? I don't care what you say about our slime company.
We're gonna shake it off, okay? Haters gonna hate.
I'm just gonna shake.
Shake it off. Shake it off. Okay, guys. So now we're going to be doing a haul. And I'm very excited. This is the slime that we made yesterday.
You guys should watch the video because it's pretty awesome. We're doing like a whole Dollarama thing. We're doing Dollarama slime, okay guys?
Plus Toys R Us.
Yeah, plus Toys R Us. So what we got from Dollarama for the glue is we got 3 packs of...
No, not 3. 2,
Oh.
3, 4, 5.
What? And guys, we are so happy that we found this. We found this at the freaking Dollarama.
It's freaking like stuffy stuff.
Look at that. It's obviously fake, but...
Then we have Ziploc
These
bags.
cute little Ziploc bags that are for Christmas.
Then glitter, of course.
Glitter. They look like sprinkles because I have a bunch of them of different colors.
Then
Baby oil to make our slime glossy.
it smells so good. It actually doesn't smell anything, but still. Then we've got these vase fillers.
For slushy slime.
To make slushy slime, which is that what we're gonna call it. Then finally we've got shaving cream.
Shaving cream.
And then
And then from the Toys R Us store, we only got two things. Or I mean one thing, but like two of them. We got Model Magic because obviously it won't have it at the dollar store.
and guys, I'm so excited to make this. So
Me too.
let's just start right now.
Yeah.
So the first thing that we have to do is just do like normal slime. So we're still gonna go through all the steps, but if you watched all of our other videos, which you should go do,
Yeah.
you should know how to do it. But just start by adding glue. Make sure that there's PVA in it. This one is okay. It's the Studio Slime. So if you live in Canada, then the dollar store has them, and Dollar Tree also probably has them in the US.
Yeah. But like I'm so happy. I know Elmer's glue is really good to make slime with.
But it just
But like
costs
people
us.
underestimate some Dollarama like glue.
It's not only Dollar Tree.
Yeah.
This is a hack that I put is that I had the idea. So I just put it in an empty bottle. I put borax in water. So that's what I always do.
Slime hack
Yeah.
from the slime movie.
Yeah, so Renty's is kind of turning into it. If I, yeah, wait, that actually really is turning. And mine is kind of already one,
Yeah.
kind of.
It's like it's butter slime.
And I'm trying to add glitter in it, but like it's weird because I can't really like control the glitter. So if I want to move colors, I can't do that. So me and Renty are right here, and now I'm going to be showing you guys all the slimes that we made this weekend.
It's yeah. Like the most to the ones that we like the least.
The first one that I like the most is the butter slime one with the what is it again? The
Model Magic.
Model Magic. And it's actually like really stretchy and super soft, like super soft.
Okay guys, so my slime, the first one that I like the most is the same thing as Sarah did to make an Instagram slime. It was the strawberry cream cheese or something like that. And I think it actually turned out really well.
Yeah.
It's really good.
I wanted to make it like a candy cane kind of one, but that did not work at all. So this is the red that I was trying to do and it did not work. But so I added like these kind of like golden spots. Oh my god, this is so.
I call this one Valentine's Day Puke. Or my other nice name for it is Rose Gold, but I'm gonna go with Valentine's Day Puke. Okay, Sarah's next slime.
So I kind of switched opinion, guys. This one is actually my second one because the beads don't fall out, while less than the other one. The other one, the beads just keep falling out.
My next slime, it seems like this is like a butter slime though. I'm not really sure, like a really silky butter slime. Hey, you have to put it away.
I put it away.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.